Welcome to the enchanting world of digital marketing, where the possibilities are as vast and diverse as the mesmerizing rainforest. Just like the rainforest, digital marketing is a thriving ecosystem, teeming with life and opportunities. It all starts with a flowing river of content creation, where ideas are born and nurtured. Social media, like the bustling canopy, provides a platform for connection and engagement, where communities flourish. Search engine optimization, the mighty roots, ensures that your brand is deeply embedded in the digital soil, making it easily discoverable. Email marketing, like a gentle breeze, carries your message directly to the hearts of your audience, nurturing relationships. Video marketing, the colorful birds, captivates and entertains, leaving a lasting impression in the minds of your viewers. VO, e-commerce, the thriving undergrowth, provides a seamless experience, where customers can explore and purchase with ease. Analytics, the wise owl, guides you through the dense forest of data, helping you make informed decisions. Mobile marketing, the nimble monkeys, reaches your audience wherever they are, ensuring your brand is always within reach. Together, these channels intertwine and thrive, just like the magnificent rainforest, creating a symphony of success for your digital marketing endeavors. So, step into the captivating world of digital marketing, where every channel is a vibrant element, working together harmoniously to make your brand flourish.